Breath in the air, controller cold in my steady hands. City asleep beneath frozen stars. I launch alone as midnight ends. Altitude rising, horizon still dark. Motors hum like a whispered vow. One more minute, then light will spark. I'm waiting now. I'm waiting now. The future's born. The future's born. I caught the sun before it knew the year. First gold on snow, crystal and clear. From silent streets to mountains high, my wings held watch while others slipped inside. This is how a new world begins. Begins. This is how a new world begins. They say it's just a machine, but I felt the sky white shell. It kissed the future, rang like a bell.